idea what I was in for.
If you are out there and dealing with fertility, baby, you are not alone. Fertility is not an older woman issue. It is an issue, period.
I was really struggling.
I suffered acutely from postpartum depression. And the biggest tragedy of all of this was that I did not know that I had postpartum depression.
I had moments of postpartum. I think it's very normal though. It's never too little to get help, to ask for help.
You will be okay. You're not alone. There's nothing wrong with you, and that you're loved, and I see you.